Randy Savage TV! What's going on, guys? It's your man, Randy Savage, and I'm here today with the Maniac Garage guys. And today, we're gonna be installing some British custom performance turnout tips on a 2020 Triumph Bobber. Alright, let's get it. So again, these are called the British Custom Turnout Performance Exhaust Kit. Essentially it's just a pipe, straight pipe in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and toss them on anyway so we can get some improved sound, some free flow on this bike. As far as the instruction says, we just have to loosen these bolts, and there's two bolts under here that we have to loosen. One right there and one right there. And that should give us enough wiggle room to slide these stock exhausts off, as well as take them off the mounting bracket. So, all right. So before we get to installing the exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and do a little cold start for a before and after. Okay, let's leave it stock. So the Maniac boys are wrapping up the install, giving it a wipe down on both sides. This side was a little trickier because of the kickstand stop, kickstand itself. But shit.
From that pipe?
Yeah. So these are the old pipes, or the stock pipes, I should say. New and improved.
I sent a fucking message in the group chat. I was like, hey, I got your bike hostage. I didn't realize you were recording the whole time.
This socket doesn't go in all the way. I don't know.
Cool. So they just wrapped up on what I believe was the fastest exhaust install in history, and we're gonna go ahead and do first startup. First impression, I mean, you guys saw my reaction, and I got a fat ass smile on my face, so yeah, recommend everybody upgrade that motherfucking exhaust, baby.
Alright, take it for a spin now. Huh? Take it for a spin.
That's no fucking concept,
So what do you think about it? It's good? What do you think about it?
You should get a Harley, go.
Yeah, fucking Harley.
Alright. Let's see if he comes back.